Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Perplexity AI on iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Perplexity AI. Locate the Perplexity AI app in the search results. Tap the Get button to download the app. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch Perplexity AI. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Tap on the microphone icon to start a voice query. Speak your question clearly and wait for a response. If you prefer typing, tap the text input box instead. Enter your question or topic of interest. Review the results that appear on the screen. You can refine your search by adjusting your question. To save a specific response, look for a Save option. Use the share icon to send information to your contacts or social media. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection. Restart the app if it becomes unresponsive. Explore additional settings to customize your experience. Enjoy discovering insights with Perplexity AI on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.